Lifting one of the Aecooly glow units out of the tray, I was immediately struck by how slim and incredibly lightweight it felt. A device with a 10,000 milliamp hour battery rarely feels as portable. It slides into a pocket almost unnoticed. The surface has a velvety, soft touch finish that stays comfortable against bare skin, and the flame-retardant PC plus ABS shell, paired with silicone and aluminum elements, gives the warmer a reassuring structural solidity. With a soft but confident snap, the two glow warmers lock together back to back, forming a single, compact unit. It feels deliberate, satisfying, almost fidget-worthy. This magnetic design makes storage and transport easier, but it also transforms the pair into a thoughtful, almost gift-ready bundle. Automatically syncs power, temperature, unit settings, and battery level. It's rare for a utilitarian winter gadget to feel this polished.